So, good morning, friends. Welcome to Fusion Financial demo through RTL Technologies. So, this is Vamshi, and we are here today to discuss on the a brief introduction about Fusion Financials. Let us start on that. So, with Oracle Fusion, let us start with the understanding of the Fusion applications. What is the Fusion applications? How it has been designed? Why it has been introduced? All that stuff. We will start understanding that. So that is the Fusion overview. That is our agenda for today. So what is the overview? What is the Fusion? So Fusion is also an ERP technology. It is not something it's not a database or it's not a service center. It is also a full-fledged ERP software which is having all applications which supports a business, which supports to a particular business in all the ways, from the procurement point, or from the sales point, or from the accounting point, or from the project point. So from all points, it will integrate your organization and will get the accounting entries and will ensure all of your controls are there in the application. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. So if you implement the ERP, so automatically your resources will be optimum utilized. So let us see. So what is this Fusion ERP? So Oracle Fusion Applications is also an ERP software, which is a complete set of business applications, which sets a new standards for innovation, work, and adoption. So for performing the work in the organization for an employee or for adopting the new technology, so Oracle Fusion will be a step ahead from all the other ERPs. So Oracle Fusion applications will use ultimate and very updated technology for reporting or for application, for accessing everywhere. Oracle Fusion applications is a step ahead from the market. Now, so that is the reason it sets a new standards for innovation, work, and adoption. So it sets a new standards for other ERPs in the market which are being built or which are running in the market. And it is being built. So when Fusion is being designed by Oracle, so Oracle has taken multiple other ERPs into consideration and they developed the Fusion Cloud or Fusion applications. So, and it's been built from the best features of the following ERPs. So they have taken the EBS, they have taken the JD Edwards, they have taken the PeopleSoft, and they have taken the Siebel. These are the 4 ERPs they have taken as a base, and they have extracted the best features from each of the ERP and designed a clubbed or ultimate product which is having best features in all the means. So from the sales point, from the HCM point, or from the financial point, from the PPM point, from the manufacturing point, from all the ways, it is going to have a best features in the application. So this is all about the overview of the Fusion application from the application functionality. Now, if you get into the reporting side of the Fusion, so the Fusion application also provides a powerful reporting tool which empowers the top management to take the decisions. So following are the different reporting tools are available for us in the in Fusion applications, which is inbuilt. It is not, or there is no need to buy a separate license for the reporting tools. So it is inbuilt in Fusion Cloud. So what all the reporting tools are there? KPIs, key performance indicators, dashboards, ad hoc report using OBIA, Oracle Business Intelligence Application, and real-time reporting using OTBI, Online Transactional Business Intelligence, FR reports, financial reporting reports, and the last and final one is Hyperion reporting, which is called Smart Views. So these are all the Hyperion tools and BI reporting tools which are being added to Fusion Cloud. So in EVS, if you want to have these tools or these reporting tools, you need to buy a separate license and you need to buy a separate infrastructure and you need to establish the data movement from ERP, EBS application or UBS database to the reporting database. So you have to establish all this infrastructure and you have to spend lots and lots of money. Whereas in Fusion, by implementing Fusion, all this stuff will be removed. So this is another reason where customers are showing interest to buy Fusion applications rather than going for other ERPs. Now, let us see the implementation overview on Fusion Cloud. So if you go to the Fusion Cloud implementation or Fusion implementation, so the Fusion implementation can be done in two models. One is on-premise implementation and other one is cloud implementation. So if you go with the on-premise implementation, it is again just like your EBS. You need to buy your server and you need to install the infrastructure. You need to buy infrastructure. You need to install the database. You need to buy the license for application. You need to install and you have to maintain every single database activity from your side if you go with the on-premise. But the same way, if you go with the cloud implementations, in cloud implementations, you need not to do all these things. The infrastructure will be bought by Oracle. The database will be installed by Oracle. Application will be installed by Oracle. So the only thing that you need to pay is it's a ready-to-cook product. You need to go and buy the license and use the application. That's it. That is what you need to do. It's a ready-to-cook application. So it's not you need not to develop all the activities. So it's a ready-to-cook. You can go and get the application and start implementing your application or start designing the application according to your requirements. That is how the cloud is being designed. So because of this cloud, the infrastructure cost will be removed and maintenance cost will be removed. So because of moving all these costs, so the huge investments, huge capital investments will be reduced, and you need to pay only operational expenses, very nominal and operational expenses you need to pay for accessing or for using the application. So that is another reason where people are showing very much interest in Fusion Cloud. Now, even this Fusion Cloud is of three types of implementations are there. One is the SaaS model, PaaS model, and IaaS model. In SaaS model, what you are going to get? So SaaS is nothing but software as service. PaaS is nothing but platform as service. IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as service. In software as service model, you are not required or you are not allowed to do any customizations. It is a plain vanilla implementation. So customization means you're not allowed to do any integration. That's it. So you can do form personalization and you can do report generation, new reports creation. You can do all that stuff. But the only thing is you cannot do an online integration with a third-party system, or you cannot design a new cloud forms in SaaS model. But if you go to the PaaS, platform as service, so if you go there, so still the servers and everything will be maintained by Oracle, and the single server will be shared to multiple customers. Single server will be shared to multiple customers, but not the application. In a server, you can have multiple portions, and you can install multiple database and multiple applications. So the server will be shared, but not the database, but not the application. So in PaaS, you're going to do that. So here in PaaS, you're going to share the single server to multiple customers, but you're allowed to do any integration of any third-party tool, or you're allowed to do a customization of a new form and doing the integration with Fusion Cloud. That you can do in PaaS. Whereas if you go to IaaS, infrastructure as service, if you go to IaaS, so there even the server will not be shared to anyone. So Oracle will buy a specific server and install in a specific location that's prescribed by you. And that server will not be shared to anyone. It will be only for you. But still maintenance will be taken care by Oracle. The capital investment will be taken care by Oracle. You need not to invest. So you have to pay the license, or you have to pay monthly subscription to Oracle, even if you go with the IaaS. Even in IaaS model, so the customizations and everything is possible in Fusion Cloud. So customizations means, again, I want to underline, it's an integration. So if you wanted to do any third-party tool integration or any new custom forms, you can design in Fusion Cloud. So this is all about the Fusion implementation overview. Now let us get into the application summary. So what are all the applications that you're going to have? So in Fusion application summary, so the following are the applications you are going to have. So the financial management, human capital management, HCM, PPM, project portfolio management, and procurement, supply chain management, GRC, governance, risk and compliance, and CRM, customer relationship management. These are the different applications will be there in Fusion Cloud.